Morning. Today let's start with the poem Wind composed by Subramanya Bharati. Wind, what it is? It's that power, the supreme power, which is totally uncontrollable and bashes away everything that comes in its way. It shatters the windows, it scatters the papers, and even with the power which it has got, it throws away the books that are kept on the bookshelf. So, what exactly do we get from this win? It has the power. And anyhow, this poem also, like the previous one, The Road Not Taken, is related to our own life. Because wind over here represent the challenges that we face in our life. If we decide to step back and just sit and cry, oh my god, what happened? I can't face this. Why it's happening just with me? No, this is totally inappropriate way of facing the challenges. Don't give up because even this word impossible says I am possible, and try to find out possibility within everything that come across your life. Same way in this poem Wind. In the beginning, the poet curses the wind. What are you doing? Fine, you have scattered down everything. Fine, even at times it causes a lot of destruction. We all have seen. But once you are ready to accept that wind as a friend, fine, the way you accept challenges in your life, things become easy for you all, isn't it? So once you are ready to face everything that comes in your way, you will definitely succeed in your life. As in this poem, in the beginning, the poem pleads the wind that please blow gently. Do not cause any kind of destruction. The papers are scattered, you are breaking even the shutters of the window. Find the books off the shelf. Everything into disarray. Moreover, the repetition of the word don't, it highlights the endless pleas of the poets for mercy in front of the wind. But is the wind stopping? No, it is not stopping. And what is the reason behind that? Because we are standing against the wind. The day you try to be friend with wind, things will change. So you need to change your perspective towards the wind, the power. Fine. If you start flowing with the power, things will definitely change. Because the wind is not going to pay heed to anybody's appeal, as in the poem, to the poet's appeal. It's not paying any kind of heed and keeps on moving, causing a lot of destruction, scattering things around. It shows no consideration for the papers and the books that are important to the poet. So, what happens finally? Along with the wind, the rain also comes. So, it's a double destruction. So, finally, the poet plans that no, I need to be befriend with the wind because if I don't do that, it will keep on bringing that kind of destruction. So that is what the poet says by the end of this poem. The only way to survive is to accept the challenges, face them with lot of courage and boldness, stand in front of them. Don't quit because the moment you make up your mind to quit, things become very easy for the whole world. Fine, and you open doors for the people, for the misfortune. In fact, you open the Pandora's box. Don't do that. Be bold enough to face the challenges as in this poem Wind, the poet does by the end. Wind actually is a force that can be utilized and put into some productive use. Don't you think electricity is one of them? So try to be friend with the book and don't ever quit because losers quit and the winners always try to find out opportunities from everything they come across. With this, see you in the next video. Bye.